Myanmar, Liberia, USA. Otherwise, there's no inches. No, 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 there's no inches. No inches, DIY. Hello, welcome to No Inches DIY. The other day, I left my 4-year-old Ozito out and it got a little bit wet. Now it's got some kind of problem here. It's a bit sticky in the trigger. It's not turning on properly. Time to unbox and review this little Ryobi hammer drill. 800 watts. It's got a built-in LED light, variable speed trigger, 13mm. It's got a nice carry case. Let's see what we get for our money, which was about $89. Alright. You get what you'd expect to get. A drill and a handle. Put that on. And we do have in here a depth gauge which goes through there. I was just about to say it doesn't look like it's got a depth gauge, but here we are. Alright. It's got centimetres and millimetres and no inches. That's good for No Inches DIY. Alright. So that's an $89 800 watt Ryobi drill. So I've got a little bit of work to do with it today because I'm finishing off this cabinet. I've got to redo the positioning of these doors because they're sitting too proud. I've got to put a magnetic catch on here. I've got to do a few little jobs with this. So I shall. And a good little carry case.